Hi, I'm Zach Parmeter with Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes. I wanted to bring you an update directly from our headquarters here in Wisconsin. Right now, I am in our featured model home. This is a very popular floor plan. It's a lofted home. This happens to be a full log home, but it could easily be done as a hybrid or a timber frame. There are so many great ideas in this home, from the carvings to the accent lighting to just even the way it's laid out. If you'd like to see an in-depth behind-the-scenes tour, then comment below. Next, let's go check out our secret weapon. There is no place in the industry like our design center showroom, and this really is our secret weapon. There's such great benefit to being able to come here and not only see all the different finishes and textures, but also all the different color options as well. Another great benefit is that we can actually do all of this remotely with shared computer screens and video conferencing. But when you come directly to our facility, you'll be able to work with both our interior and exterior design coordinators, and we'll be able to piece it all together for you. So that goes from cabinetry to your faucets to all your plumbing fixtures as well. In fact, we actually have some clients with us today who are doing just that. If you're still thinking of building this year, then it is not too late. Just give our sales team a call. When it comes to the construction process and the whole building process, we all have questions. That's why we thought it might be worth considering, if you're interested, that we would do a YouTube live stream broadcast. That way you could interact with us and our sales team and really ask all the questions that are on your mind. Now, I have two very special announcements. First of all, we have a video series coming up. It's a brand new series that follows the whole construction process from start to finish. Many of you have watched our Building My Dream Home video series, where we go behind the scenes on an in-depth construction process. That's exactly what we're doing on this home. Key considerations for this video series is that the homeowner is actually a do-it-yourselfer, and he's going to actually show us ways that he saved money while building his dream home. Another great announcement that I have is probably one that I should show you over in our manufacturing facility. So let's head over there. As we make our way to the other end of our campus, we're going to head over to manufacturing. I wanted to point out all the activity that is happening here in the shipping and receiving yard. We have 6 trucks getting loaded up today, and there's just a lot of energy here. A lot of that has to do with, of course, new home construction, homes starting up as the weather gets nicer. But as you know, we also have a staggered shipping schedule. That means that not everything arrives at the job site on day one. We actually deliver it as it's needed through the whole construction process. Right now we're in one of our manufacturing facilities, and I'm bringing to you a very exciting update. We have made a substantial investment in a brand new piece of machinery. It is custom made just for us. It'll allow us to apply our very unique finishes to all of our wood products. These finishes are one of a kind. You just don't find them anywhere else. And a lot of the times that usually results in a lot of manual labor. So this new machine will allow us to actually keep our prices low and increase our output. We're very excited about this. Now, as I had mentioned, we've got this video series coming up. If there's something that we haven't highlighted in previous video series and you want us to touch on it, just comment below. And also, we're considering that YouTube live stream. If that's something you're interested in, then also leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate you following along with this headquarters update. Let us know what you think. We'll be in touch soon.